Here's my rendition of a chicken fajita. Listen to that sizzle. Love that sizzle. All right, so we're going to start out with the peppers. I almost forgot to turn my camera on. I started talking and forgot to turn the camera on. All right. Peel the inside out like that. Keep that one. And what we're going to do is we're going to julienne style them, which is basically just cut them long ways. I'm not going to bore you with that. So here. And there you are. Peppers are done. I have here a combination of white onion and red onions. I have some mushroom. We're going to do the same thing. We're going to chop them up. You ready? Bam. And there you are. Mushrooms are done. All right. All right. Let's take you over to the grill and we'll show you what we do next. All right. Got the flat top on low. Both burners on low. We're going to start out first with all the peppers. Listen to that sizzle. Love that sizzle. All right. Don't worry. I'm not cooking any of your friends yet. All right. A little bit of oil. Since I'm the only one in the house that likes mushrooms, I'm going to put the mushrooms separate. Red onion, white onion. Now this is extra virgin olive oil. Our Cosmos honey chipotle killer bees rub. Get them all nice and happy. And just set it and forget it. Come back over here and I'll show you how we process the chicken. All right, let's do this chicken. I got here some chicken thighs. Basically all I want to do is just take off any of the extra fat that's on there. I don't want any fat. I'll keep some of the skin on there. And then we're just going to take them and we're just going to take the bones out. Guys, if you haven't seen my other videos, I've showed you 100 times how to take the bone out. So I'm not going to bore you with this one. When we come back, we'll have these deboned. All right, everything is deboned. I have 4 nice looking thighs here. Basically, all we're going to do is just going to coat them with a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. And then we're going to hit them with this honey chipotle killer bees. And flip them over and do the same thing. And while we're flipping them over, I'll meet you over here at the grill. I'm going to go ahead and stir up those vegetables. Mushrooms are doing just dandy. They're getting nice and soft. Ah, yeah. Peppers and onions look really good. Getting nice and caramelized on there. I'm going to take those chicken thighs, skin side down. Skin side down, let that skin get nice and crispy. And we'll flip them over. In the meantime, we'll play with the vegetables a little bit more. Let them get all happy. Back in a few minutes. All right there, guys. So this side of the chicken, I think, is done. Let's go take a look. Oh, yeah. Perfect color on there. Go ahead and flip them over. That's what I like about boneless chicken thighs. When you debone these, they cook so much faster. Oh, look at that. Oh, that's got some nice color to it. Oh, yeah. Give these another 5 or 10 more minutes. Same thing. These veggies are looking fantastic. They're getting nice and soft. And the smell, oh, God, man, they smell so good. My poor cousin's over here drooling. He smells all those peppers and onions.
Don't worry, I'm rolling away from the grill.
All right, guys, so this is done. We're going to go ahead and grab some bowls and take these off the grill. But, oh, yeah, look at the color on that chicken. Oh, my goodness gracious. That's some good stuff there, Nader. All right, so let's put this together, guys. We're going to make some fajita chicken. Basically, we're going to take these, and we're just going to chop them just like this. Take one of our tortilla rolls. These are 0 net carb, okay? Take one of these. Take that chicken, put it on there. It don't matter, man. You can pile it up. You do whatever you want. Get some of those peppers and onions. I want some mushrooms on mine. Get some mushrooms on there. Let's hit it with some of that cilantro, lime, and garlic. Happy. Let's have a taste test, see how we did. Cheers, everyone. See how we did here. And you got that cilantro lime in the back there. Oh, so good. Here's my rendition of a chicken fajita. Till next time, God bless and happy eats.